In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to integrate QuickBooks with your Wix website. This process is remarkably straightforward, and with a little guidance, you can have your Wix and QuickBooks smoothly synchronized in no time. First off, begin with accessing the Wix app market. This is as simple as it sounds. From the dashboard of your Wix site, look out for the section labeled Apps. In this section, you'll typically notice an option that reads Explore More Apps. Don't hesitate to click on this. It is your gateway to enhance the functionality of your Wix website with fantastic apps to make it more robust and efficient. If for some reason you can't find this option, you could navigate directly to the app market. Once you're on the Wix app market, you'll need to search for an app. Narrow down your search to the QuickBooks connector. This app, you'll soon find out, goes a long way in pulling off the integration you want to achieve. Once you've found it, don't leave it hanging there. Be sure to add it to your site. Now, it's time to delve into the heart of this tutorial. You'll need to connect your QuickBooks account to this app. So, on the QuickBooks Connector app, click on Add to Site. Properly follow the subsequent prompts, and sooner than later, you'll find yourself logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Remember, this part is vital to authorize the connection between QuickBooks and Wix. Basically, it's like telling your QuickBooks that it's okay to share data with the Wix app. Next, you'll need to configure the sync. This process essentially involves setting up synchronization options. These options define how data flows from Wix over to QuickBooks and vice versa. It's as simple as telling the two platforms how to handle different categories of data, like orders, customers, products, and even payment information. The final part of this tutorial is arguably the most satisfying. Here, you get to start syncing. Start the integration by enabling it. Now, watch as your settings come to life. The QuickBooks Connector app will now begin to sync data based on the configurations you've set up. It happens automatically, leaving you to focus on what you do best, running your business. By the end of this tutorial, you should have successfully integrated QuickBooks with your Wix site. This entire process looks to add value to your online business, ensuring seamless coordination of data between your website and accounts. And what's more, it saves you time, paves the way for more accuracy, and goes a long way to enhance your overall productivity. So go on, take advantage of this brilliant possibility, and enjoy a smoother, more efficient online business.